Araw-araw, Pilipinas. I'm Emmanuel Soter Terencio.
I am Erika Baby Alina. I'm Jen Ernea Di Balote.
And today, we're making pickled vegetables.
Sayote, carrots, cucumber, onion, garlic and ground pepper, ginger. Steps in making a pickled veggies. 1. Peel the vegetables. Two, cut the vegetables into thin pieces.